Okay, so this is my video on the ZOHD Dart XL Extreme. I'm just going to go through what I've done to it, how I've built it. Out here on the left wing, I've installed a Foxeer Lollipop right hand circular polarized antenna. It's 5.8. Over here on the left wing is TBS Crossfire Immortal T antenna. That is where the Crossfire receiver is, and that is where the Matek 40 channel 5.8 gigahertz video transmitter is. This is running iNav with a Matek F405 board inside. But what you'll probably notice is this is not a Matek F405 board. This is actually an air module for the Arcbird antenna tracker, and this is the GPS. This is the GPS for the Matek board. And the Matek board is actually in here. Okay, so my apologies, that's actually a Matek F722 wing board. I'm actually using a quad ESC on this one. It's a 40 amp D-shot for various reasons. The first reason being, with this top piece down, the stock ESC wouldn't fit. All this is just a little board that I've designed and 3D printed, and it's actually hinged back here on the central spar, and I've just attached it to the central spar using some tie wraps. The motor is a replacement motor because the one that they sent me wasn't in good condition. I hadn't even used it and the thing fell apart. I can't vouch for the quality of the motors that come in the kit, but if you do get a dodgy motor, they will actually send you a new one, so you know, for free. It might take a few weeks to arrive, but don't worry about that, at least they get it sorted for you. In the front here, this is a 3000 milliamp hour 4-cell. It's quite far back into the fuselage. Currently I'm actually filming this video on my GoPro, but the GoPro would normally be in there, and I've actually already balanced this for the correct CG. Trying to think what else. So the GPS itself is a BN880 GPS. It's the same GPS I use for all my builds. Up at the front here, I've got a Foxeer Mini Predator V4. I just love the wide dynamic range you get from this, and obviously this is where the GoPro would go. Inside, actually, if you notice here, leading all the way back, and on this side, I've actually strengthened it with some carbon fibre square rod. Now the reason this one comes forward more is because when I did this one all the way forward, I couldn't fit the GoPro in. If you have a look, the GoPro rests right up against the edge, and it's a tight fit, and I wasn't able to actually get the GoPro to fit in there without really damaging the side of the GoPro. So that's why this only goes up to here. But yeah, I've tried to strengthen that as best as possible. That's just hot glued in, and there we go. That's pretty much it. The like I say, it's running Crossfire and 5.8 video, and there we go. It's hopefully that will be a nice flying machine, and join me next time for the maiden flight. Thank you.